how much of solder defects falls on the material selection process or lack thereof, and how much solder defect issues fall on process?
Yeah, I think it's kind of a tough question to answer. The thing I can say is that companies like Indium Corporation have studied a lot of these defects and have made their products such that they minimize them. In other words, if you're having the head and pillow defect, there are things in your process that you can do to minimize that. Although Indium Corporation and to be fair, they're worthy competitors, some of them have developed solder pastes that minimize this effect without having to change the process. They're just more robust to minimizing the head and pillow defect. But assembly is an optimization process, and you can't make everything better by a change. So you might minimize the head and pillow defect and have other concerns. So typically what we do is we try to work with our customers and tell them what we think are the better of our materials to minimize a certain defect, but also work on the process, because there are certainly things in the process that you can do that will help to minimize the different defects. And just like voiding, we have solder pastes that really perform very well in voiding, but we'll also tell you the 4 or 5 or 6 things you can do in your process to minimize it, like the right type of stencil aperture to have, and the right type of reflow process to have to minimize voiding.
So it sounds like the most correct answer to the original question, is it materials or process, is yes.
Join us on the second and fourth Tuesday of each month for new episodes of Reliability Matters.